Welcome to DAP. My name is Veena Prashant. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can install and activate DAP on your site. Say that you have just purchased DAP. You're going to get a welcome email from us with your login details. It's going to look something like this. And all you have to do is log in. And once you log in, it will send you to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you're going to find a few things. Number one, your license key. You're going to need the license key to activate DAP on your site. So make a note of the license key. Number two, you're going to find the DAP Easy Installer plugin under the Downloads tab. So download this plugin. This is all you're going to need. You don't have to download DAP software itself. So all you need is like the DAP Easy Installer plugin. Download it. That's it. All right. So after you download the Easy Installer plugin, you can log into your WordPress dashboard and you can upload this DAP Easy Installer. And this is a brand new DAP site. Let me show you how to do this. So this is the plugins page. Here you can click on Add New Plugin. Click on Upload Plugin and upload the Easy Installer that you downloaded from our site. You can install it like any other WordPress plugin. Activate the plugin. DAP Installer is here, and you will find it under Settings. So go to Settings and click on DAP Easy Installer. It's going to bring you to a page like this. Enter your DAP license key here. This is something that you got from our site. So if you're not sure what your license key is, log in back to our site, and you will find the license key there. Enter it here. Save license. All right, so now you're going to find an option to install DAP. So click on this button. This is a one-click DAP installation. Click on it and it will do everything for you and install DAP for you. That's it. DAP installation is complete. Click here to access the DAP dashboard. Now, before I take you to the DAP dashboard, let me show you this one thing here. This is the cron command. So you're going to need to install this in your hosting cPanel. So log into your hosting cPanel and under the cron tab, you will have to install this DAP hourly cron. Cron is like something that you can schedule through your hosting. You just have to configure it to run once every hour. And so when it runs, it's going to, complete all of the bulk jobs, such as bulk import or email broadcast, stuff that cannot be done in real time because it's going to time out or take too long. So DAP uses cron to do, some of these tasks. Now, some of the hosting platforms, they do not support cron. So that's totally fine. If they don't, there is another way to do it. You can use a free plugin. It's called WP Control, and you can install it, activate it. If you're not sure how to use it, then just open a ticket with us and we'll help you with it. All right. If your hosting supports cron, then log into your hosting cPanel and under advanced section in most of the hosting, you're going to find an option for cron. Click on it and then you can set it up to run once every hour. This is the cron command that you need to enter there. And you just need to set it up to run once every hour. If you run it too often, it's going to use up a lot of resources. We don't recommend it, but you can configure it to run once every hour. Also, if you're not sure how to do it, just open a ticket and our team will help you with it. All right, so click here to access the DAP dashboard. This will help you upgrade DAP. So you can just click on this. In future, you don't have to use the Easy Installer plugin if you have already installed DAP. But if you want to upgrade DAP to the latest version, all you have to do is click on this button and it will take care of it for you. That's it, just one click upgrade. All right, so here I'm already on the final version, but there is a beta version available. So if you want to upgrade to that, you can click on this button and it will complete the upgrade for you. So you just have to use the Easy Installer for the first time. If you're installing DAP on your site for the first time, you can see here it says, welcome to DAP, create your first product. Click on it to get started. Set up the brand, color, font family, all that stuff here, select it, save and next. And all this you can change, right? And now you can create your member-facing pages, such as a login page, member dashboard page, a member profile page, stuff like that you're going to need. If you want to run a membership site, you're going to need a way for people to log into your site. And then you're going to need a dashboard where they can access your products, your courses. And you're going to need a profile page where they can update their profile information, their email password, and stuff like that. So you're going to need all of these pages. But the cool thing is DAP makes it easy. All you have to do is click to create, give it a name, right? Pick a name for it. By default, it's already here. If you want, you can just use these names. You can always change it later. Also, all of these pages are going to be under member pages right here. All right, you can go to member pages, you can edit, you can customize, you can update, you can do whatever you want. DAP just makes it easy by creating it for you. So DAP will create these pages using the default settings. Click to create, and it will create all these pages for you. You can see all the member pages are now ready, and that's it. You can click on next. What are you looking to create today? Right? You can create products, courses, memberships, and group memberships, everything. DAP can do it all. And if you want to know how to create a product, how to create a membership, how to create courses and stuff like that, I have a free course on this. Go to membershipsitechallenge.com/course. You can sign up. It's a free course and you will find all the lessons there. And it has all the information that you need to set up products, courses, membership, everything. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to do so. This way you'll be the first to know when I publish new videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more. Bye for now.